Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a video using AI. As we know, Veo3 is a very powerful tool that lets you create videos using AI. And here let me type KIE.ai. This one is the best platform that you can use to create videos. So now let's click on get started and then sign in with Google account. Allow access. And then you need to perform verification. Okay, after that now let me go back and we need to create a prompt using ChatGPT. Here you can go and type some text. Create a prompt for my web design agency. Name is Enable Website Design. Okay. Now within seconds, ChatGPT will give you a prompt with everything that is required to create a professional video. This one. So now let me copy this prompt. And here you can see different options. You can create a video from text, from image, from video to video. Also you can do video editing if you have an existing video, then speech to video, as well as you can also generate images and then music. So guys, here you can see this one is the link Veo 3.1, and after that you can select first option. Then here you can select the quality as well as fast, and then add the prompt here. You can copy this prompt from ChatGPT. Scroll down, here you can select the aspect ratio. So this one is recommended as this one is used like for the YouTube videos and different other platforms. This is for the short videos. Then scroll down and click the generate button. Now here you can see it has started generating video. So guys, here you can see this one is the final result. Let me play this video. Wow, that looks amazing with call to action buttons, and a professional logo is also added. So after that you can also see audio is also included, as we see some of the major platforms that lets you create just video only, not the audio. So thank you for watching this video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.